very powerful but easy and convenient way of syncing Salesforce data with Snowflake. Once you've logged into Salesforce, you can go to the Salesforce applications, go to Analytics Studio, and then you'll see the Tableau CRM Analytics Studio, and you can go to the Data Manager. Once you're in the Data Manager, you can go and set up connections. So you can set first the connection, you'll set up an output connection with Snowflake, which we've done. You can go and just see the various connection parameters you can enter there, and then you can go and test it. And then similar on the input connections, you can go and connect to your local Salesforce organization. Once you connect to your Salesforce organization, it will show what objects are available. So we'll go down and select the event object within our organization. And then once we have that, we can go select that. And then you can select the fields within the object that you want to synchronize. So we'll just select the number of fields here quickly. And then what you can do is it'll give you a preview. So now after you've saved that it'll give you the option of synchronizing that event. So you can go and say like, I want to run a data sync on this object, and in this case you can do either incremental or full sync. Since this is the first time we're doing it, we'll do a full sync, but you can then set it to do incremental syncs afterwards. So now as this is running, what it also gives you in the data manager is the capability of monitoring the various syncs you've done. So you see this sync that we've just scheduled is busy running here. But then now what you can do is while we're waiting for that is you can actually go and schedule these events to then basically say like, maybe you just want to do it like on Mondays or Wednesdays at 12 a.m. And you can actually go and schedule, set a schedule for that as well. So it'll be able to run the schedules. And what you can see is you can then select multiple objects within your Salesforce organization. And typically you'll have the capability of doing incremental sync. So it doesn't have to do a full replication every time. So once you've done this, you just let the data manager go through to the sync out connection. And as soon as it's finished, so it's done a successful sync, if you then go and log into Snowflake, you'll then be able to see the objects show up as tables within Snowflake. And in this case, we selected the event object, and we can just go and see what it looks like. And then we can say like, the table now is like all the data is in there. And we have all the different fields show up as columns within Snowflake. And this just gives you an idea how powerful this and easy to use this feature is without having to use third-party tools of synchronizing your Salesforce data with Snowflake.